This is the stuff we build.
Oh, I thought you was about to hit the game. Boy, mess around and be like, pop! Don't do it, Mr. Seeley.
See, that boy barely wanted to go back. It was about to run into my truck, but it's saying like it's overheating. All right, fam, we are fresh off the funeral and all that family fun, if you feel me. So we are about to get back to these cabinets. I left off with this one right here, but we're gonna go ahead and throw the rest of these up. I even got that corner mudded right there, so that's looking way better. And then we can throw that end cabinet up and slapping the doors on there too. And we also got a cabinet for the sink over here. We're not gonna switch out the whole cabinet. I'm just gonna take the doors off of there, and then we can use that base for the other house, and then figure out what design we're gonna do there and easily find some doors for that. So yeah, so we about to get straight to it. I'm gonna take these doors off to lighten this bad baby up. Man, that's way lighter. So I'm gonna throw these already pre-drilled my side screws here to connect cabinet with cabinet. So that's what I'm gonna throw in first. Damn. Sheesh. Probably need to move the first. Nope. Perfect. All right, we'll move on to the next cabinet. So this cabinet was holding the microwave. This boy missing the screw too. 2 screws. If easy. Take them screws out to lighten that bad baby up. I need some gloves on. This cabinet is greasy right here because this was above the stove. It ain't bad as our past tenants, but boy greasy. I'm gonna talk stuff about us too. So this cabinet is one of the to be cut because we actually gonna be venting out either the range hood or the microwave. So I'm gonna have to cut out an additional hole at the bottom of this cabinet so it can connect to the microwave or range hood and go out this outlet right here. I'm a big fan of just having exhaust fans so all that smoke and stuff can get out. I ain't mad because on the hoarder house I didn't run one before I did all that drywall. But one thing me and Ray thought about doing is gifting our tenants. Ew. See, this thing was just exhausting down oil right under the cabinet. That's why you need it connected to something. It's disgusting. I'll wipe this bad baby on up because it's greasy as heck. Might as well hit this. Dang, if I do a range hood, I'm gonna have to patch this hole right here. I actually was thinking about mixing some mud. I'm still probably do it. Mix up some mud and just smooth this out because backsplash came all the way up to here before. And since we did the microwave, it covered up a bunch of that spot. So I'm gonna find some rags, wipe this thing off, and then get this boy back up there. All right, so now we got this one last cabinet. We don't have any holes in here. This boy got some weight on it. I'm gonna have to pop some of these shelves off. Got them clips that don't wanna let you move. That's raw. Let's take off this little sticker here. So I was happy all these cabinets really got pushed that way, which is good because now when I open this door over here, it's not banged against the wall and it won't keep scratching this wall over here. And that's what it was doing a lot. So we don't have to worry about that. Everything else should be lined up. I could just throw them screws in there, but I need to know where my stud's at. And that's a perfect fit. Stud there, stud right here in the middle. just enjoy the ride, just enjoy the ride. Achoo. So these grease that's all on these doors and stuff, it goes to show you if you don't have the exhaust vent vented outside, then what it's gonna do is just go below underneath the cabinet and it might just find its way to the next cabinet or wherever it go and make that greasy. So having that exhaust vent vented outside, a big plus. Also having your frying contained is a big plus too. I think we're gonna start doing that. What y'all think about that? Gifting our tenants deep fryer so they ain't gotta have grease all over the stove or wherever. They can have it in that specific section. Throw the top on, but some people gonna be dirty either way and still not clean up after they stuff. All right, let's get to throwing up these doors so we can get up out of here. This plastic's been on here for so long, I don't know why we didn't take it off. I actually think the reason we didn't take this plastic off because we had plans on essentially returning this cabinet and maybe get like a pantry. But it was like 7 years ago and them boys crispy. Missing a couple screws. I don't know where I set them boys at. So this one we might have to make our own holes. Let's see. See if this one actually line up. Top holes good. These doors ain't the best really. We're gonna have to do something to repair this because the microwave that was here, every time I open the door it's pulling on here. Bam. Now we got 2 screws to find. It shouldn't be hard to find. All right, y'all, I'm not sure where the heck them screws went, but everything is looking nice and good. I got them higher where I wanted them. Before I had a little gap on there because I wanted them to match with the cabinet over here. So as it was going down, it started dropping down, but pushed all those up flush. I'm probably gonna take a bead of caulk right at the top of these cabinets just so it can be nice and sealed up there. Now I have to see that. We gotta throw a little bit more mud up here in our corner. Take the doors off the other cabinet, our brand new one. Put them over there. That'll be sealed off. And we did get our countertop. All right, so we're gonna go with these countertops here. So it's pretty much like this style here. They match the floor a little well. Ray was about to pick them joints down there. That look crazy.
I'm thinking about it, it's too dark. I'm like, is this a waste of money? It's like
Earth
a stone
stone.
block.
So we got a few things going on around here, and this is where it has to go. Ice, snow, and slush has come to town.
So once we throw this countertop on, I want y'all to let us know what y'all think because it matched the floor really well. And I think that's a perfect match, but until tomorrow.